Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Temur Ehsan.
Tamur Hasan. What's the meaning of Tamur?
Temur means steel.
I mean to say like steel. Okay. So, Mr. Tamur, what's about today your mock test like?
It was really a good experience because before I never had such kind of experience, and I'm preparing myself for IELTS examination for general test. So I would like to say that it is a good platform to prepare yourself for the main test, which is the IELTS test. So good.
Okay, so you are not an icon student.
No, I'm not an icon student.
Okay, so in which module do you feel difficult like today?
I really thought that I should improve my English in speaking, because when you sit in front of a teacher, you get nervous and you couldn't say anything like which you may probably would do better when you are separate or alone.
Okay, Mr. Tamur, what's the reason behind it like you feel difficult the speaking one is?
I think we need some more practice and more specific to IELTS, because it's just a techniques, not that much hard for, but we just made it hard for ourselves and took some pressures. So that's why we face some difficulties in IELTS test.
Okay, so क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे आप नाइकन के स्टूडेंट्स को एंड आइल्स के स्टूडेंट्स को?
मैं तो बस ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि बेस्ट ऑफ लक इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू टेक योर एग्ज़ाम इन द नेक्स्ट मंथ और इन दिस मंथ. सो आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट माई बेस्ट विशेज़ इज़ ऑल विद the Nikon students as well.
Okay, thank you so much, Tamur.